Have you ever wondered why we hold onto certain belongings, or why we choose to store them away? Join us as we explore the fascinating emotional and psychological aspects behind self-storage. While practical reasons like downsizing or moving play a part, there are often deeper emotional motivations at play. For some, it's the sentimental attachment to items that carry memories and evoke a sense of nostalgia. Others may feel a need for security or a sense of control over their possessions. Decluttering can have a profound effect on our state of mind. When we clear physical space, it often leads to a decluttered mind. Letting go of excess belongings can alleviate stress, promote focus, and create a sense of calm. Our belongings can become intertwined with our identity and self-expression. We may attach sentimental value to things, using them as a way to connect with our past or to project an image of who we are. Understanding this psychology helps us comprehend why parting with certain items can be emotionally challenging. It's clear that our relationship with our belongings runs deep. From understanding the reasons behind self-storage to the impact of decluttering on our mental well-being and the psychology behind our attachment, it's an intricate web of emotions and behaviors. Remember, finding harmony in our storage choices can lead to a healthier and happier life. We hope you found this discussion enlightening and thought-provoking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more engaging content, and share your thoughts in the comments section below.